Mogaka, mimi ndio mbunge wa West Mugrango, na mimi naomba niwakaribishe, even if belatedly, naomba niwakaribishe mjisikie nyumbani katika hii town ambayo ni town capital city ya Nyamira County. Nitawalika ndugu zangu wajumbe wawasalimie, lakini kabla ya hapo nauliza, kuna member of county assembly yoyote in our midst? Yes. You come. Now that you are the only one here, you just come and salute, because I know you also come from township here.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa. Good morning, everyone.
This is the land where
Kule Nairobi. Erebu yago sere bobe. Mpatie makofi yake ya heshima.
Thank you very much, my co-MP. Waziri, allow me to ride on the already established protocols because of time, and to really welcome you to our county and our constituency. This is the land where we say God showers every day and food does not end. So we hope that when you go back to Nairobi, you will go back with a lot of bananas together with the other guests. Waziri, first for me is to appreciate these gatherings that you've been having across the whole country, because as a big proponent of public participation, I think this is the right way to go. You've given our security apparatus an opportunity to speak their mind, to engage you. I've been seeing the feedback from Wananchi across the whole country on social media about these engagements, and they've been really encouraging. So this is to applaud you. And I know you're my friend, I know you do a very fantastic job. And I can assure our security people here that all the things that they've given you as feedback, you will also take them into consideration. Second also is to appreciate the DIG for the reforms that he's been doing. And I can assure you, Waziri, that whenever we have our own meetings, even political meetings, the leadership of security that we have in Nyamira County, together with our chiefs, they're very fantastic. They give us a lot of support. Hawa ni watu wa maana sana. Ukiweza kupromote watu yote, inaweza kuwa poa sana. Because they do a fantastic job. And we work very well together. Secondly, is just to assure you that we will work together. We will continue to collaborate together. Do let us know any areas that you feel you want us to assist you in terms of legislation. Waziri, we've had you in terms of the budgetary suggestions that you've made in Treasury. I can assure you where I sit as liaison committee together with the other chairs, we'll also support you in whatever suggestions and budgetary allocations that you bring forward together with the other members. Kwa hayo machache, once again, is just to appreciate all of us, to urge us to all work together. Now, Waziri, unajua, the reason why a lot of people have been talking about going to State House is because as members of the broad-based government, unapologetically, when we took our wananchi to State House, na wakarudi na story vile State House inakaa, now everyone else wants to go to State House. So, usione ati ni hii story imetoka, ni ile ujumbe imetoka, ya ile kazi ambayo rais anafanya, ile kazi ambayo rais amesema pia sisi tufanye. Na nataka kuambia nyinyi kama ma-chief security apparatus, you're ambassadors of the government. Please let's ensure that we keep talking about the good things that the government is doing. Nyamira County is one of the top counties in terms of SHA registration. So we are doing a fantastic job. So sisi tuko hapo kwa serikali hatusongi. Asante sana.
Wako hapa. Habari ya mchana. Kwanza nachukua nafasi hii kwa heshima kubwa sana ni tukaribishe mheshimiwa wetu ambaye ni waziri, ambaye amefanya kazi ya maana sana katika nchi yetu. So we really invite you, na tunaukaribisha na delegation yako yote kwa sababu ya kufika hapa kwetu. And also to commend you so much kwa hii program ambao umeianzisha, ambao uko karibu kumaliza. Wengi wameongea na tumepata mengi sana kutoka kwenyu. Sisi kama watu wa North Mugrango, nataka tu niseme ile constituency unasikia inaitwa Borabu ya Osero. It was carved out of North Mugrango. It used to be North Mugrango Borabu. And some of the issues zile zina affect hiyo constituency yake huwa zinatu affect. North Mugrango neighbors Homa Bay. It also neighbors Kericho. Na hapo ndio tuko na shida kubwa sana. That's why you heard from the DCC that tuko na hizo problems, tuko na hizo changamoto, mambo ya thagari, lakini siku hizi imepungua kidogo kwa sababu this team is working very well. There are times when we used to have problems, especially mambo ya coffee. Watu walikuwa wanauliwa, wengine wanachomwa na acid. But I'm so happy that today those cases have gone down. Kwa hivyo mimi nimepata fundisho kubwa sana from this engagement, and I really want to believe that if we are able to extend it so that the instructions zile umepatia ma chiefs, ma DCCs, now wakifika huku nyumbani wa make sure they also enlighten our people. Si itakuwa sawa? Vile umesikia CS amesema, huyu ni mtu wako na nguvu. Huyu ni mtu ambaye amejitolea. That's why mumeona in a span of 5 months he's been able to go around the 43 counties. And anakuanga na masikio ambayo inasikia. So we really want to thank your team kwa sababu ya hiki kikao, na we hope that we are going to have a better way of serving our people. Bwana CS, hawa machiefs wakati tulikuwa na issue ya registration of farmers, uliona tu vile waliamka na wakafanya kazi ambayo ingechukua consultants, na ile budget ambayo ingetumika ingechukua pesa nyingi sana. That's why even the village elders, wale wazee, watu wa nyumba 10, nao wakipatiwa support kidogo, our country itaenda mbali sana. I think with those few remarks, I really want to thank you for coming. Na niambia chiefs tushirikiane pamoja wa kuhakikisha ya kwamba ile kazi na miradi ambayo government inafanya tunamazisha watu wetu. Sio itakuwa sawa? And also to thank you, actually to thank the government because of Nyamira University. Wasewa na mwanja the university chega said. That will be the first university in this county, and we are so grateful to the government for that support. Thank you and God bless you. That will be the first university in this county, and we are so grateful to the government for that support. Thank you and God bless you.